Hi, I'm Craig Turner with Momentum AI, and welcome to the Momentum AI for Chambers of Commerce YouTube channel, where we try to give you prompts and solutions and tools using AI that you can use every day in your chamber for operations, for marketing, for whatever you need to do. We're trying to help you save time, increase productivity, and have a better conversation with your members using AI. So our prompt today is called Meeting Minutes. And this is one that we really love, and we use in our trainings a lot. So one of the great things about the chamber industry is you get to work on these high-profile things. You're having impact in your community. You're working on policy, and you're convening the business community together around education and around government and policy and things to strengthen your business community. So you've got these very high profile things. You're bringing in people from out of state and out of the country to see your community. And then you go back to your office and you have to do things like meeting minutes and committee minutes and things like that. But what's great about AI is we can use AI to try and tackle some of those things. So when you're talking about some of the more mundane things that you have to do, writing reports and tweets and meeting minutes and things like that, AI is such a great help, because what we want to do is we want to use AI to get rid of the mundane tasks so that you and your chamber team can go spend, the humans can go spend more time on the higher level activities that are actually productive. So meeting minutes, again, I've been in your shoes. I've done my share of meeting minutes, and is one of the things that when I started doing AI for chamber stuff, I'm like, this is one of the first things I'm going to tackle, because meeting minutes are one of the worst things, one of the worst jobs you have to do. You should be out in the community, but you're sitting at your desk doing meeting minutes, and we're going to help solve that for you. So ChatGPT has a tool called GPTs, and what a GPT is a bot where you can automate processes that you have to do over and over and over again to limit the amount of input that you have to do. Anything you do in a GPT, you can do in your regular ChatGPT window, but you have to prompt it every single time. So we've set up, I'm going to show you where these are. If you go over here, it says Explore GPTs, all right? And OpenAI has set up what they call the GPT Store. It's an open source toolbox. If you build a GPT for yourself and you think that other people outside of yourself would be beneficial to them, or they'd use it, you can share it in the store. There's a lot of really good ones. There's a lot of really not good ones. So I think there's more than 3 million in there. We've used GPTs very much for the growth of Momentum and for our clients and for the chambers. So if you go up here, you've got My GPT. So these are the ones that we've created. Now, when you create a GPT, you can make it public, you can keep it private, or you can share it with just specific people that you email the link to. The one that we're going to use today is called MinutesMaker. And if you saw on the thing, it's been used by over 70 organizations, which is outstanding. That's what we wanted. Again, let me clarify. There's no compensation here if someone uses your GPT. They said there may be at some point, but if they do, it's going to be like 0.006 of a cent that you're going to get every time somebody uses your GPT. I didn't do it for that. I built it as a tool that I could share with chambers and other kinds of business associations. So basically, what MinutesMaker does is it takes your raw notes. So I'm going to cut and paste some raw notes that we put together, plug them in, and I don't even have to offer a prompt at this point. I can just hit it, and what it's going to do is it's going to make publishable meeting minutes. I mean, you're going to edit them before they go, but it's going to give you the format of the meeting minutes as you go based on everything that you put in. Now, what's neat about this is if you see this little paperclip down here and you recognize that from Windows that you can attach a file, if your handwriting is neat enough, you could just scan in your page and you don't have to retype all this stuff or cut and paste it. I can't demonstrate that because my handwriting is not neat enough to do it, but you're certainly welcome to try it. And maybe think about that as you're going into your meeting. But so we see how this we have this broken down for you. And again, is this going to be the actual copy that you put into your next month's meeting board report? Probably not. You're going to go through and edit it. But it's got the structure for it. It's got the attendees. It's excused. Here's your meeting notes. It's got, as long as you, whatever whatever data that you put into it is what's going to get represented in the meeting minutes. So it's got your financial report, advocacy agenda, new members coming in this month. I like this. We built it so that it comes out with action items. So based on everything you put in, it has the actual action items that people are supposed to work with. So this is a great tool. It's free in the GPT store. I will put the link to this in the video description so that you can just go there and use it. And please, I hope you do. And then stay in touch with me and let me know that it works for you. Or consequently, you see something I'm missing here. Tell me. I'm happy to adjust this to make it more relevant in real life to what you need. But this is built on my 25 years working in associations. It might not be exactly right for every chamber out there, but I think it's got the structure that's going to be able to be used by most. So again, thanks for being here. We've got boatloads of videos already up and more coming, and we're going to continue to do this. So hopefully you're able to find some prompts in here that you use and keep checking back with us. So thanks for stopping by. Hi, this is Craig Turner from Momentum AI. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out our video. If you like what you saw, it was helpful, and you want more AI tips, don't forget to click our subscribe button and turn on notifications so you know when we launch new content. Now, if you really want to take it to the next level, I want to send you to MomentumHub.ai, where you can learn about our platform we created specifically for chambers of commerce that can get an AI-generated, customized, personalized membership strategy in the hands of every one of your members.